Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a new unboxing. This is from Undeliverable. So Undeliverable is a website that sells packages or boxes of unclaimed mail. I got the Tiny Unclaimed mystery box. So in this one, you don't know what you're getting. Like packages should be closed. They don't even know what's in there. And all they do is like, I guess, sort by size of the packages. And then they put them all together and you get what you get. So this is what that looks like right here. You know. And like I said, I paid $29.98. And that included shipping. It was free shipping. And Undeliverable restocks every Friday. So at Friday at 11 Central Standard Time, that's when they restock. So if you go on their website, they might be sold out of some of the mystery boxes that they have. But if you check back on Friday, they should restock. Now they sell quickly. So if you're at all interested in this, I would say get in there, get it in your cart and check out because they do sell out fast. I ordered 2 boxes or 2 packages. We're gonna go ahead and do one today and then I'll do another video with the other one. So like I said, for this one, it's the Tiny Unclaimed mystery box and it was $29.98. So let's go ahead and open that up. Let's see if the $29.98 was worth the package. So let's see. Anything else? I mean, the biggest thing for me is it's a mystery box. So I love mystery boxes. If you know of any good mystery boxes out there, just, you know, share the link below. I would love to check out other things. And just friendly reminder, if you're new here or you've been watching for a while but haven't subscribed, let's go ahead and subscribe. That would really help us out. And click that notification button, click that like button, and comment below if you have anything to say, if you have any favorites, you know, anything like that. And if you have any links to share, just comment below. So they send you, so this is them, Undeliverable, that's all their social media and the website. That's that one. And then it has a little card that says, thank you so much for your purchase. We hope you get some great stuff. Most importantly, have fun and enjoy the mystery. Good luck. So that's the whole thing. Like, they don't even know what they're sending you. So you just keep that in mind. If you paid, like I paid $29.98. And let's say we get like all, I don't know, dollar items or something. Like they don't even know what's in the packages. They're just sending them to you. And so they do use like the heat gun, which I really appreciate. You can see that. And let's see what's in here. Hopefully I don't get anything like weird. So let's open this first package up. That's always the thing with like mystery boxes. You don't know. You don't know. And I will find out what, the things I can find out what they're worth, I'll post them here in the video. And then we can see, we can figure it out. Okay, so this black one was, okay, so this is a notebook. Okay, sure. Look, I'm getting all my niece and nephew's Easter basket stuff together, so hey, it could be a good one for them. Okay, so it's just like this, and it has like grit sheets, a little notebook. So that was the first one. Okay, this is the next one, and again with tiny packages, hey, who knows, maybe I find, you know, a $1,000 bracelet or something. Yeah, right. I doubt they would not claim that. Okay, this is like super package. Okay. right, it's this little box. So what's in here? Slides out. There's this. To my ride or die, a pinky promise to always be in these 3 places. In front of you to cheer you on, behind you to have your back, and next to you so you're never alone. Oh, that's cute. So the little cart in there. It's cute. What's in here though? Oh, it's a little pinky promise ring. And you see this image that's here with the little hands and their pinky promising. So that's this ring. It's a size 8. So for me, it's big, but I bet you, and it has that same pinky promise detail there. You see it right there? So I did find this jewelry piece on storyjewelry.com, and it's $32.90. That in itself paid for the cost of this whole package, which was $29.98. I didn't get the $1,000 bracelet, but I got a ring. So this one was cute. I think this one would be nice. That's a nice one. And the box is really cute, so I can always use that for like something else. So there's that. And the other box I ordered is gonna have hopefully bigger items. We'll see when we get it. So this is the other one. So it had 7 packages in that package. So let's see what this is. This looks to be like a phone holder. I don't know what this is. Do y'all know? It sticks on something. This thing. What is this? Does anybody know what this is? Like, it looks like it sticks on something, and it has this. This is giving me like Wish vibes. Oh, and this, I guess, is double-sided. So you stick it here, then I don't know, you stick it on your wall, you stick it on the, like, what is this for? I'm confused. Someone tell me what this is. I don't know. So far, not the greatest. Okay, so next is this. Let's open this up. What in the world is this? What is this? Just a piece of plastic? Where we had, guys, that other box better have something better. Okay, it looks like it's a plastic tube thing. I don't know what this is used for. Do any of you know what this would be used for? It's like plastic, and it has like an opening there. So I don't know. I don't know what this is. No idea. I mean, there's no, it's just flimsy. What are people ordering that you would order this and that's your whole package? I mean, I guess if you know what you need it for, right, then you would order just that, but it makes 0 sense to me. So let's open this one up. This is not looking good, y'all. Not looking good. I don't think I got my money's worth at all. But like I said, these are returns. It's return mail, and they're just sorting out by size. So they have no idea themselves what's inside the package. So it's not like they're picking and sending you like, oh, you paid this much, you know, guaranteed this much in your box. They never make any sort of claim like that either. Oh, see, this I could use. Yes. Okay. So Again, other people might not think, you know, like, oh, that's useful, but for me it is. There are a bunch of these little jewelry making supplies. So they're the little earring, like post earring bases. So they're like this, right? And you attach whatever, you glue it on here, whatever your design is, or the little crystal or whatever it is, you attach it there, you glue it there. Here's the little post. And then there's the little earring backs. There you go. That go on the post. So, I mean, I can use these. Okay, let's open this one. This is like a long one, but then it's just this little thing here. Okay, come on. No, this can't be it. Is someone seriously... It's a panda. It's literally just a little panda. This is what this is. Look at that. Man. So far the best thing has been the ring. And maybe the earrings supplies. But this is the last thing. Let's see what this is. That's it. What in the world is this? It looks, this is this thing. Let's look at this. What is this? A piece of, I mean, I'm pretty sure it goes to something. I just don't own that thing that it would, or this would be useful for. So I have no idea what this is. And this is a picture that came with it. And it has 4 little screws. So obviously you screw it in like there. But what? This is so weird. So weird. And that was it. We got the little notebook. We got this weird thing. I don't know what this is. Someone tell me what this is. I have no idea. How can I look up prices if I don't know what these things are? This little ride or die ring. And no idea what this plastic tubey thing is. And these little earrings, supplies, stuff. So yeah, that was it for 30 bucks. That was disappointing. So I'll definitely not order maybe this size of a box again. I'm gonna check out their, like I said, I ordered the next size up, and we'll do a review on that one to see, you know, is that one worth it? Because for $30, I mean, it's fun. Part of this thing is, you know, it's the fun of opening up a mystery box. What does the mystery box have? Who knows? No idea. You know, and as far as I know from what I've seen from this website, is all they're doing is they buy bulk returned mail, and then they sort it out and they parcel it out by size of the packages. So they themselves don't know what's in there, you know, so it's not like they are picking and selecting, oh, you know, these pieces we're giving to this person specific. So, I mean, they don't know themselves, so it's not like it's their fault. Anyone else order from Undeliverable? Did y'all have a better experience with their Tiny Unclaimed mystery box? I'm sure y'all probably have found some jewels. I've seen other videos where people do the unboxing, and some of them have found really, you know, something that's worth the money that they spend. But it's hit or miss. It really is hit or miss. So far, this Tiny Unclaimed mystery box was not okay. It was just not. But I'll definitely check out the next level up. Like I said, I ordered it. I'm waiting for it to come in. As soon as it comes in, I'll go ahead and do that. What do you think? Have y'all ordered before? Have y'all had a better experience? What did you get? And would you ever order from them? I mean, I'll link them down below. You can check out their website. You can research as well. I did, and it was the same thing. Like, well, it really just depends, because it just depends what people are returning, and they don't even know what's in the packages. So, and as always, thank you for joining me all the way to the end of the video, and please subscribe. I will be doing a giveaway once we hit 1,000 subscribers from every box that I'm opening. I'm kind of setting the little things aside, and I want to do the giveaway of a box of things that I've gotten, you know, through for each video. Something will be included in that box, and we'll have a winner. So make sure to share with your friends so they can subscribe to the channel. Hit that notification button, hit that like button, and comment below what your thoughts are. And thank you so much for joining me to the end. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.